There you go, folks. It's just sitting there. I was gonna go and bother to go ahead and drill the holes and insert the riv nuts and all that stuff and get it bolted up, but it snaps right on there. It's nice and tight. I mean, you can pull it off, but that's the idea, right? It clips on. You got to come straight on down. Slide her over a little bit. Bingo. Right there. Looks good. Looks like it's looks like it's, you get some rubber or foam or whatever and seal up the sides. But all that minor stuff, you know. You highlighted the edge of it in red so you get an idea of, you know, that hole's going to be a little small. I mean, we could leave it like that. We could leave it big gonker jumbo size and see what happens. We're just testing, right? No sense at this point to get too crazy. Thank God the heater core here is only 30 or 35 bucks because I dropped it. It was on a little rolling bench here when I was trying to get those pieces of wood stick that I glued across. I was trying to get those out after I had trimmed it all up and sanded it down, and the radiator was sitting on here and it fell off and hit the ground and the whole thing shifted. The whole radiator was tweaked. So I just hit it the other way and beat it back into shape. We'll put it in a bucket of water and put some pressure to it to see if it leaks. But if we have to get another one, thank God it's only 35 bucks. Stupid mistake. Getting ahead of myself. I got all excited and wanted to just trying to get after it, you know. Been without a computer for about 3 days. I took the desktop in to get repaired. Long story short, the thing, it just completely locked down. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't even get into it. So finally got that back. Now we can load up all the videos that we've been shooting these last 2 or 3 days. I spend the rest of the afternoon in the house loading up videos to YouTube. But there you go. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, I like it. It looks pretty good. Let's put you down. You get a look at her there. The whole radiator moves, right? And I kind of thought we would have to put some type of tether, a bracket, a brace, or something here just to keep it, you know, or here to here, somewhere here to keep this thing from. I mean, 'cause let's be honest. I mean, you get rocking and rolling around Grattan, and that thing's going to be moving all over the place, right? So, yeah, we'll figure it out. We're just testing, right? At this point, we certainly don't want to spend any more time and money on this thing than we have. We spent probably all together, start to finish, maybe 15, 18 hours playing around with it, right? And probably because we were at a playing around pace. I mean, if we were doing this for real, we probably could have got it done in 2 days out the door. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. We're gonna take it from here, and next thing is at this point is to check that radiator, put a pressure test to it, and see how she's holding up. But that's it. Once we get some black spray bomb on it, we'll get some flat black paint on it. It'll give you a little more shape. You'll be able to see what it looks like a little better. But man, that thing's just gonna swallow some air. Let's just send you right in there. Yeah, baby. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's it. We'll talk to you next time. Enjoy the videos.